On April 10, 2025, Turkey, particularly the regions of Bolu and Ankara, was swept by an unexpectedly heavy snowfall that brought both stunning winter landscapes and significant challenges for locals. This weather phenomenon became one of the most striking events of spring, as snow in mid-April is a rarity, even for Turkey's mountainous areas. Bolu, renowned for its natural beauty and rugged terrain, was the first to feel the full force of the storm. The snowfall began on the night of April 9th, and by the morning of the 10th had blanketed the region with a thick layer of snow, reaching up to 40 centimeters in some areas. Roads were clogged with snowdrifts, severely disrupting traffic. Highways connecting Bolu to Istanbul and Ankara were particularly affected. Drivers unprepared for winter conditions found themselves stuck in traffic jams, with some abandoning their vehicles on the roadside. Local authorities quickly deployed snow-clearing equipment, but the intensity of the snowfall slowed their efforts. In Ankara, Turkey's capital, the snowfall was less severe but still caused disruptions. In the city, snow melted quickly due to above-freezing temperatures, but in the suburbs and hilly areas, icy patches formed, leading to a few minor accidents. Schools in both regions partially shifted to online learning, as many parents hesitated to drive their children to school in such conditions. Meanwhile, children delighted in the unexpected chance to play with snowballs in the middle of spring. Interestingly, meteorologists attribute this snowfall to a rare intrusion of cold Arctic air colliding with warmer Mediterranean currents. This created ideal conditions for heavy precipitation. Experts note that such anomalies are becoming more frequent due to climate change, suggesting Turkey may face more weather surprises in the future. Local reactions varied. Social media was flooded with photos of Bolu's snow-covered landscapes, resembling winter postcards. Tourists in the region called the snowfall magical, though some grumbled about cancelled excursions. Farmers, however, expressed concern as the cold snap could harm spring crops.
Thank you all for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. My team and I work hard for you, analyzing all weather-related events so you are always up to date with the latest news.